Hey guys, Aaron's Marble Works is back at it again here with a little bit of a different video for you guys. I'm doing an unboxing of an order that I recently received from GENO'S Garage. Let's get into it. This is a coolant reservoir that I ordered for my 2018 Ram 2500. I'm having the issue with the low coolant warning light on the dash. What happens is the sensor goes bad and you have a low coolant light on the dash. What GENO'S Garage does is they sell you the reservoir and it includes the new sensor, so you might as well replace them both while you're in there. Now this was just too cool. They included this little pack of beer nut peanuts. I love it. Awesome job, GENO'S. That one deserved a big thumbs up. I just had to, guys. All of this stuff was so well packaged and packed in here to ensure that nothing got broken or damaged. Here's the instructions for the big star of the show. I ordered the city diesel actuator, and those look like the instructions for it. Here was a cool little booklet that I fumbled around with. This is their parts catalog, and you can actually have your truck featured on the cover. This was a customer from Hawaii. Pretty cool 5th gen mega cab there, huh? What do you guys think of that? Sweet! What is this we have here now? Oh, now this is cool. These are like some cool little custom decals that you could put on your toolbox and collect them all. Now for the fun stuff. Here's the City Diesel Turbo Actuator for the 2018 Ram 2500. I believe this part right here, made in the USA, is the electronics part of the kit. And there's one other box in here. I believe this is actually the housing. So yeah. Oh, what's that down there? Check that out, guys. They even include the 5mm Allen bit that you need. That's just awesome. Super cool. Nice big Cummins logo for the back window. That is awesome. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. Gonna put that on the 3rd gen. Definite thumbs up on that one. You guys rock. Well, that'll do for this video, guys. This is just an unboxing video from GENO'S Garage. Big shout out to those guys. Thanks for the order. Everything looks absolutely perfect. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I will also be doing a follow-up video where I will be installing this actuator and the coolant reservoir, so make sure and check those out as well. And stick around for new episodes of Ask the Trades every Thursday. Thanks for watching, guys.